Alif is for Arnab, Arnab. Aleph is for Arnab, hopping in the grass.
Ba is for Batta, Batta. Ba is for Batta, swimming in the pond.
Ta is for Tufaha, Tufaha. Ta is for Tufaha, juicy and red.
Tha is for Thalab, Thalab. Tha is for Thalab, running through the trees.
Jim is for Jamal, Jamal. Jim is for Jamal, walking in the sand. Jim is for Jamal, Jamal. Jim is for Jamal, walking in the sand. Jim is for Jamal, Jamal. Jim is for Jamal, walking in the sand.
From Aleph to Ya,
Learn the letters one by one.
come along.
Let's sing the alphabet song.
Ha is for his son, his son. Ha is for his son, galloping so fast.
Ka is for Karuf, Karuf. Ka is for Karuf, fluffy and soft.
Dal is for Deek, Deek. Dal is for Deek,
Waking up the farm. Tal is for the hub, Hab. Tal is for the hub, shining bright like gold. Jim is for Jamal, Jamal. Jim is for Jamal, walking in the sand. Jim is for Jamal, Jamal. Jim is for Jamal, walking in the sand. Ra is for rummin, rummin. Ra is for rummin, growing on a tree.
Za is for Zahra, Zahra. Za is for Zahra, pretty and bright.
Sin is for Samak, Samak. Sin is for Samak, swimming in the sea.
Sheen is for Shams, Shams.
Sheen is for Shams, shining up so high. Jim is for Jamal, Jamal. Jim is for Jamal, walking in the sand. Jim is for Jamal, Jamal. Jim is for Jamal, walking in the sand.
Sad is for Shajara, Sad is for Shajara, standing big and tall.
Cod is for Dabbit, Cod is for Dabbit, jumping up and down. Da is for table, table. Da is for table, making happy sounds. Za is for Zabi, Zabi. Za is for Zabi, running very fast. Ein is for Ein. Ein is for Ein, looking left and right.